Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use message boards in Basecamp step by step. Message boards are designed for announcements, project updates, meeting notes, and discussions that everyone on the team can easily find and refer back to later. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Basecamp account and open the project where you want to post a message. Once you're inside the project, click the Message Board tool from the project menu to view existing discussions. Next, click New Message or Post a Message to create a new discussion. Enter a clear and descriptive title so your teammates immediately understand the topic before opening the post. Now, write your message in the editor. You can include project updates, meeting summaries, announcements, instructions, or important decisions. If needed, attach files, images, or links to provide additional context and make the information easier to understand. Before publishing, review your message for accuracy and clarity. Then click Post Message to share it with everyone in the project. Team members can reply in the comments, ask questions, or provide updates, keeping the entire conversation organized in one place instead of scattered across emails. As your project progresses, continue using the message board for important communications while reserving real-time chat for quick conversations. This makes it much easier for everyone to find key information whenever they need it, and that's it. You now know how to use message boards in Basecamp to keep your team informed and your project discussions well organized. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next